Good morning, students. Welcome back to the physical education class. Continued number 7, Physiology and Injuries in Sports. Students, today first topic is effect of exercise on cardiorespiratory system. Cardiorespiratory system is essential for efficient pumping of blood and oxygen supply to all parts of the body. It consists of the heart and blood vessels working along with the respiratory system to deliver oxygen and remove carbon dioxide from all the tissues of the body. To fulfill this demand, there are certain short term and long term adaptations by the cardiorespiratory system. First, short term immediately effects. First point, increase in heart rate. One of the short-term effect of exercise in the increase in heart rate from one average heart rate 72 beats per minute. Heart rate increase as per the intensity of exercise until maximum heart rate is achieved. It can increase up to 220 beats per minute. ये 220 पर मिनट तक पहुंच जाता है. Second point, increase in stroke volume. Stroke volume is the amount of blood ejected per beat from the left ventricles. Stroke volume of an individual at rest 50 to 70 ml per beat. During exercise is increase up to 110 to 130 ml per beat. ये 1 से लेके 130 ml beat तक हो जाता है. Respiratory rate increases. The total number of respiratory per minute is called respiratory rate. During exercise, respiratory rate increase from around 18 per minute to up to 80 per minute. Next point, amount of air inhaled and exhaled increase. सांस लेने और छोड़ने की मात्रा का बढ़ना. During exercise, the amount of air inhaled and exhaled in each breath also increases from around 0.5 liter to 4.5 liter. Increased volume of air delivers more oxygen to the blood stream and then to working muscles. Next point, increase in cardiac output. Cardiac output is the volume of blood and heart pumps in a period of 1 minute. Next, redistribution of blood flow का redistribution. At rest of muscles required only about 50 to 20% of the total amount of blood circulating through the body. Next, blood vessels expand at the skin surface. Next point, increase in vital capacity. Increase in vital capacity. Vital capacity means the greatest volume of air that can be expelled from the lungs after taking the deepest possible breath. Next point, increase in blood pressure. Normal blood pressure range is 120/80. But during exercise, BP can increase to over 200. ये 200 तक चला जाता है. Usually remains unchanged during intensive exercise. Next, long-term effects. First, increase in heart rate. With regular exercise, the heart increases in size and volume. Second, डिक्रीज इन रेस्टिंग हार्ट रेट. आराम की स्थिति में हार्ट रेट कम होना. रेगुलर एक्सरसाइज हेल्प द हार्ट बिकम मोर इफिशिएंट. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, इंक्रीज इन स्ट्रोक वॉल्यूम एट रेस्ट. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, इंप्रूव ब्लड सर्कुलेशन. एक्सरसाइज इंक्रीजेज द अमाउंट ऑफ ब्लड रिक्वायर्ड बाय द मसल्स टू रेस्पॉन्ड टू विच देयर इज फॉर्मेशन ऑफ न्यू कैपिलरीज. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, डिक्रीज इन ब्लड प्रेशर कम हो जाता है. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, अफेक्ट्स ऑन द फैक्टर्स ऑफ रेस्पिरेटरी प्रोसेस. द फंक्शन ऑफ रेस्पिरेटरी system is depend upon the factors like composition of bloods and its circulation and alkaline reserve of the body, the size of chest cavity, muscles of chest, the acidity of blood, etc. Regular exercise has a favorable effect on these factors. Next point, avoid second wind. ये हमें second wind से बचाता है. A bigger mind feels the second wind during exercise, but an athlete hardly feels it during this course of activity. Next point, increase in tidal volume. Normal tidal volume is adults at rest is about 500 to 600 ml. After doing regular exercise, the tidal volume increases. ये बढ़ जाता है अगर हम regular exercise करते हैं. Next, decreases in rate of respiratory in long term. Decrease in rate of respirations in long term. Next point, blood volume increases. Blood volume बढ़ जाता है. The body produce a greater number of the red blood cells in order to keep the muscles supplied with oxygen during heavy exercise. Next point, faster recovery rate. Regular exercise lead to faster recovery rate. Next topic, effects of exercise on muscular system. Exercise has both short term and long term effects on the muscular system. The effects on muscular depend on mode, type of exercise, speeds, intensity of exercise and time for which exercise is done. Regular exercise has followed effects on our muscular system. First, change in size and shape of muscles. Regular exercise help in enlarging muscle cells which change the size and shape of the muscles. Long-term exercise lead to an increase in muscle mass. Second point, increase in muscle strength. Regular exercise lead to an increase in muscle strength. Next point, improving efficiency. Regular exercise increase coordination in muscles. These became stronger by doing exercise. Next point, increase oxygen uptake. During exercise, there is increased oxygen demand by muscles. Next point, increase in blood supply. During exercise, blood flow increase up to 25 times due to increased demand of blood and oxygen. Next point, maintenance of correct posture. Regular exercise result in an increase in muscle strength which help to maintain correct postures. Posture means balancing of the body. Next point, increase in muscle tone. Long-term effects on exercise include an increase in muscle tone. Next point, increase in number of capillaries. As a result of frequent exercise over a sustained period of time, both the quantity and number of blood capillaries increases. Next point, improvement in flexibility. It has been found that individuals who exercise regularly have better flexibility and agility as compared to those who do not exercise. Next point, increase in muscular endurance. Regular exercise increase muscular endurance of an individual. Next point, prevention from diseases. Continuous exercise improving our blood circulation, our muscles become strong and we become fit. In this reduce of risk of diseases. Next point, improvement in reaction time. Regular exercise increases the speed of nerve impulses which ultimately improves the reaction time. Next point, delays fatigue. थकान देर से आना. Regular exercise increases the capacity of muscles and therefore less lactic acids is produced by the muscles. When formation of lactic acid in muscles decreases, fatigue also decreases. Next topic, classification of sports injuries. Sports injuries can be classified into following ways. First, soft tissue injuries. Second, bone injuries. Third, joint injuries. First point, soft tissue injuries. There are following types of soft tissue injuries. First, contusion. Contusion is a muscle injury. A direct hit with या without any sports equipment can be the main cause of contusion. Contusion can also be due to the major accident due to the skin, such a falling, bumping into something, या being hit or kicked. Contusion is a common in boxing, wrestling and कबड्डी. ये मेनली बॉक्सिंग में, रेसलिंग में और कबड्डी में देखने को मिलता है. In contusion, blood vessels in the muscles be broken. Symptoms of contusion: first, swelling हो सकती है, pain, third, stiffness, and four, limiting joint range of motion near the injury. Management, treatment: apply cold compression for few hours. In case of swelling at the place of contusion, inflammatory medicines should be given. After 2 days, massage should be done over the affected part to reduce swelling. Next topic, students, strain. Strain means खिंचाव. Strain is also a muscle injury. It can be mild as well as severe. The complete muscles can be ruptured. Means कई बार पूरी मांसपेशियां भी खराब हो जाती है. The complete muscles can be ruptured. In case of complete rupture, it is not possible to move that part या limb. ऐसी स्थिति में उस हिस्से को हिलाना असंभव हो जाता है. There may be severe pain around the rupture. Strain may occur at any time during the practice or competitions. Symptoms of strain: pain, swelling, muscles weakness, inflammation and cramps. Treatment steps: the procedure should be followed for the first 24 to 28 hours after an injury, depending on the severity. Means चोट की गंभीरता को देखते हुए चोट लगने के बाद पहले 24 से 28 घंटे के लिए प्रदान की जानी चाहिए. P is for protection. Protection the injured area of the victim from the further injury by the providing support to him. Means घायल व्यक्ति के चोटग्रस्त भाग को सहारा देने के लिए सुरक्षा प्रदान करनी चाहिए. Rest. Second, R for rest. It is very beneficial to have as much rest as possible in the earlier stage in order to allow the body to heal. Means जो प्रारंभिक अवस्था में जहां तक संभव हो सके अधिक से अधिक आराम बहुत लाभदायक होता है, जिससे चोट जल्दी ठीक हो जाती है. I is for ice. बर्फ. Ice should be applied directly on the site of the strain injury as soon as possible. It reduces bleeding and swelling by solving down blood circulation. Next, it also relaxes the injured area by reducing pain. Means जितना जल्दी संभव हो सके चोटग्रस्त या खिंचाव वाले भाग पर प्रत्यक्ष रूप से बर्फ का प्रयोग करना चाहिए. यह रक्त प्रवाह को धीमा करके रक्तस्राव सूजन को कम करता है. Next, C is for compression. Compression of an injured thigh muscles, hamstring, calf, biceps or tricep muscles helps in reducing the swelling as well as bleeding. E is for elevation. E is for elevation. If possible, keep the injured's leg or hands elevated on a pillow above the level of heart of the reducing the swelling. संभव हो सके तो हमें इंजर्ड जो लेग और हैंड्स हैं उसको पिलो या अबव द लेवल ऑफ हार्ट रिड्यूसिंग द स्वेलिंग को कम करने के लिए. फॉर मोर सवियर इंजरीज ऑफ मसल्स फिजियोथेरेपी शुड बी प्रोवाइडेड. हमें फिजियोथेरेपी प्रोवाइड करानी चाहिए. नेक्स्ट, एब्रेशन. एब्रेशन मीन्स रगड़ या छिलना. एब्रेशन इज ए स्किन इंजरी. एब्रेशन इज ए मेजर इंजरी. एब्रेशन आर वेरी कॉमन स्पोर्ट्स इंजरी that are usually caused by a fall on a hard surface. किसी भी हार्ड सरफेस पे गिरने से ये इंजरी होती है. द एथलीट्स फॉल या स्लाइड्स ऑन द ग्राउंड. फ्रिक्शन कॉजेज लेयर्स ऑफ स्किन टू रब ऑफ. इट कैन अकर इन कबड्डी, एथलेटिक्स, हॉकी, फुटबॉल एटसेट्रा. ये कबड्डी, एथलेटिक्स, हॉकी और फुटबॉल में ज़्यादा देखने को मिलती है. सिम्टम्स ऑफ एब्रेशन: पेन एंड लिटिल या नो ब्लड लॉस. ट्रीटमेंट स्टेप: अवॉइड फर्दर फ्रिक्शन, clean the part with some antiseptic cream or wash properly with soap to prevent infection. Cover the affected part with medical cotton or with band-aid. Anti-tetanus injection should be taken as precautions against tetanus. Next topic, laceration. A laceration is irregular cut in the skin from a sharp object or sharp-edged sports equipment. These wounds are more dangerous than incisive wounds. Such wounds are not smooth. ये smooth नहीं होते. Bleeding is less from such wounds. These wounds may be very poisonous. इसमें ज़्यादा जहर हो सकता है. Treatment steps: stop bleeding at the earliest by compression or by pressing. Clear the surface of the affected part using water and soap. Cover the affected part with medical cotton bandage. उस पार्ट को कॉटन बैंडेज से कवर कर लेंगे. अप्लाई आइस या कोल्ड कंप्रेशन फॉर सम टाइम. कुछ समय बाद आइस और कोल्ड कंप्रेशन का यूज करेंगे. इट इंजरी इज डीप, गो फॉर स्ट्रेचर्स. अगर ज़्यादा डीप है इंजरी तो फिर स्ट्रेचेस लगाने पड़ेंगे. इन केस परसिस्ट पेन किलर कैन बी टेकन. बहुत ज़्यादा पेन होने पर हम उसको पेन किलर भी दे सकते हैं. नंबर 5, इंसिजन. इंसिजन मीन्स चीरा लगाना. इंसिजन में ऑल्सो अकर ड्यू टू द शार्प एज्ड ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ स्पोर्ट्स इक्विपमेंट या स्पाइक्स एटसेट्रा. समटाइम्स वार्टिस एंड वेन्स में बी कट. ब्लड यूजुअली कम आउट फ्रीली फ्रॉम incision. Treatment steps: if the injury is not deep, let the blood come out. During this process, germs may also come out with the blood. Such injuries should be cleaned carefully with spirit. Then after placing a piece of cotton on the wound, a bandage should be applied. In case of excessive bleeding, the bandage should be kept tight. अगर ज़्यादा ब्लड निकलता है तो हम बैंडेज को टाइट करके बांध देते हैं. If the injury is deep, patient should be taken to a doctor immediately. अगर इंजरी बहुत ज़्यादा डीप है तो तुरंत हमें उसको डॉक्टर को दिखाना चाहिए. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक स्टूडेंट्स, स्प्रेन. स्प्रेन मीन्स मोच. इट इज़ ए लिगामेंट इंजरी. यह एक लिगामेंट इंजरी है. इट मे अकर ड्यू टू ओवर स्ट्रेचिंग या टीयरिंग ऑफ लिगामेंट्स. यह अधिक खिंचाव और लिगामेंट के फटने के कारण हो सकती है. मैनी थिंग्स कैन कॉज स्प्रेन. फॉलिंग, ट्विस्टिंग और गेटिंग हिट कैन फोर्स ए पॉइंट आउट ऑफ इट्स नॉर्मल पोजिशन. दिस कैन कॉज लिगामेंट्स अराउंड द जॉइंट टू टीयर. जनरली स्प्रेन अकर एट wrist joint and ankle joint. Symptoms: swelling, inflammation, severe pain and tenderness. Treatment steps: there are 2 procedures for the treatment of sprain, that is price and mice. The price procedure should be followed for first 24 to 48 hours after the injury. चोट लगने के 24 से 48 घंटे बाद प्राइस का ट्रीटमेंट किया जाता है. P is for protection. Protection is injured person and area being treated. R is for rest. It is very beneficial to have as much rest as possible in the earlier stage in the order to allow the body to heal. I is for ice. Ice should be applied directly on the area of the injury as soon as possible. It reduces bleeding and swelling by solving down blood circulation. हमें तुरंत आइस का प्रयोग करना चाहिए जिससे वो ब्लीडिंग और स्वेलिंग को कम कर देता है. नेक्स्ट, C is for compression. Compression of an injured ankle, knees or wrist help in the reducing the swelling as well as bleeding. Second, Mice procedure. Mice procedure. First, M for mobilization, I for ice, C for compression, and E for elevation. Thank you. Have a nice day.